Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw Matic from your Arculus wallet and send it straight to your Revolut account. If you're into crypto and want to cash out or move your funds seamlessly, this 2025 guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through every step in a simple, straightforward way. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device, your Matic tokens ready in your wallet, and a verified Revolut account that supports cryptocurrency deposits. Oh, and don't forget to double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Matic holdings. You'll see an option to send or withdraw. Go ahead and select that. It's usually right on the main dashboard for easy access. Next, in step 2, enter the amount of Matic you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. For Matic, you're probably using the Polygon network, which is fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Then, you'll need to input your Revolut crypto address. To find this, hop over to your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and copy the wallet address for Matic. Paste that into the Arculus wallet send field. Step 3. Double-check all the details, the amount, the address, and the network. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction. You might need to verify it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. This is crucial for keeping your funds safe. After that, step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Polygon network, this usually takes just a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Arculus wallet for confirmation. Once it's done, head back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance. Your Matic should appear. A quick tip. Always start with a small amount for your first transfer to test things out, and remember that crypto prices can fluctuate, so timing matters. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages for Arculus and Revolut. There you have it. You're all set to withdraw Matic from Arculus to Revolut. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.